Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. If you're new to the channel, watch this. No.
Like Ike. Share like Sonny Bono before you hit the tree. Comment like the meteor's crashing down on you. And ring the bell like LL, because it's cool even though he's not a J. Okay?
Alright guys, so anyway, I am actually at the scene of the crime. It's a little dangerous. I'm going to try to get out and show you guys really quick basically what happened. Maybe not. So, yeah. Alright guys, so I'm on the side of the road at the accident scene where it literally happened. And I'm still seeing pieces of my car right here. Actually, this is mine, and the tail light and things like that. That's not mine. But basically what happened was coming down and around this corner here, as you can see, basically the car started to come in this way. I whipped it, and as I whipped it back this way, it whipped around, and that Corvette is actually pretty nasty. But as I whipped it around and hit back end right here. So that was all pretty much what happened. Obviously you can see this is a very, very dangerous corner. So I'm gonna actually get back in the car. But I wanted to show you guys that. I'll explain why I wanted to show you guys that in a second. But there's also, I think that's like a trooper or something up there. Yeah, right there, that's a cop. So I'm gonna get in the car now. Actually, guys, that's where I ended up. I was wrong. Here's where the crash was, right here. So it was here, because here is the light to my car and my cleaning spray. I was kind of looking for that. Glad I found it. Now I'm gonna get back in the car because this shit's dangerous. Alright guys, so obviously you saw the accident scene, and I do have to admit that, I'll take full blame for the crash, and the reason why I say that is because my tires, which if I can find, okay, sorry, my tires, that's not one of them, is it? Yeah, that's one of them. You see how bald my tire is? That's pretty much the reason why I crashed. My own fault not getting brand new tires sooner. So you guys just make sure to always check your tires and things like that. This video is not really meant to be a long video. I just really wanted to show you the accident scene because I was in that neighborhood anyway. I do have to show you one thing though that I do have to take. So I have to take that vent piece right there because the new gen, yes, I got a new one, is missing that. I might take that one too, just for the fun of it. I don't know. And I don't know if I should really take the boost gauge because I've got the new boost gauge. So maybe, I don't know, whoever wants it, or whoever is getting their car can sell it. I don't know. I'm still tempted to take the Brembos, but I have nothing to replace them with, and I am going to take the Cat. I'm taking the Cat. I'm taking the whole Cat and DownPipe, the stock one. I don't care what they say. And what else do I need to take? Oh, I'm taking that bracket because that bracket is missing. And I think that's about it. I mean, there's not much else I could probably take off this car. I don't know. But let me know what you guys think. But like I said, as you guys know, a new Genesis is coming. So, wasn't down for long. So, Project Genesis back there, Project BK1 project. There you go, right there. It continues. It continues. It's gonna be nasty. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Again, you know, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you keep coming back, thank you. If you subscribe, thank you. And if you haven't, then hit that subscribe button, hit that notification.